Do you want to improve your flexibility, mobility, release your tension, and move with the greater ease? In this course, you will learn authentic Thai yoga stretching technique designed to safety, support mobility, and relaxation. My name is Lex Stark. I'm a Thai yoga massage therapist, 20-year experience, and yoga teacher. And here is what you will learn. Let's have a look. Thai yoga stretching is combined from traditional Thai massage and yoga stretching. It helps to release muscle tension, improve flexibility, increase circulation, reduce stress, and improve your posture. This course is perfect for people who feel tight in their back, hip, or shoulders, hamstring, leg. You can help office workers who sit for long hours or yoga practitioners who want to deeper understanding. Anyone who wants to improve flexibility safely. No advanced experience is required. Is it safe to learn by yourself? Yes, I will guide you step by step. Remember, stretching should create gentle tension, not sharp pain. If you and your partner feel strong discomfort, dizziness, or numbness, stop immediately. And always respect your body's limits. How to use this course? For best result, practice 3 times per week. You can follow the lesson in order or focus on the area where your body feels tight. Progress comes from regular practice, not intensity. Thai yoga stretching is not just about flexibility, it is about balance, awareness, and long-term body health. I am excited to guide you through this journey. Let's begin. I can't wait to share my knowledge. Just sign up the course. I will see you in the class.